Comments are where YouTube audiences are the most honest. Feedback, opinions, praise, complaints, even brand mentions all live here. In this video, I'll show you how to extract every comment and reply from a YouTube video. In this video, I'll show you how to extract every comment and reply from a YouTube video using the YouTube Comment Scraper by ParseForge, which you can find on Apify or in the link down in the description. You'll need no API, and it'll even give you a sentiment analysis. This actor automatically collects all comments from a YouTube video, including nested replies and full conversation threads. You get the comment text, author details, likes, timestamps, pinned and edited flags, and optionally, AI-powered sentiment and toxicity analysis. So, how does it work? The input is pretty simple. All you need is the video URL. For this one, we'll grab one of MrBeast's most recent videos. Copy the URL and paste it in here. You can also add as many as you want. Next, you set the maximum number of comments you want scraped. You can also include replies from the comments in the max number of replies per comments. We'll put only 10 for this one, and we'll leave the maximum number 20 just to show you how it works. And additionally, you can include the AI-powered sentiment and content analysis for comments. We'll leave it on so you can see how it works. Once you're ready, you can schedule the actor to run repeatedly and according to any schedule you want, or you can just run it once. For this example, we'll run it once. Now, we'll let the actor do its magic. Once the run finishes, you'll get this clean dataset. Each row is a comment, and it includes the comment or reply ID, video reference, author name and verification status, like counts and reply counts, and the sentiment analysis. You can also download the data as a JSON, CSV, or Excel file. This scraper is perfect for brand sentiment monitoring, audience research, competitor analysis, content feedback analysis, comment moderation pipelines. What would normally take hours of manual work is now done in minutes. If you have any issues with this scraper, you can contact us. And if you like it, we'd appreciate your feedback. Thank you.